In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Pipedrive Insights in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what you're seeing, and how to move confidently through the Insights area without getting lost. Start by heading to the left-hand sidebar in Pipedrive and clicking on Insights. This takes you to the Insights home, which is designed to give you a clear overview of your analytics. On the left pane, you'll see the full contents of your insights. Think of this as your navigation hub. Everything you've set up or have access to lives here, neatly organized so you can jump into what matters most. Front and center are 3 core elements: dashboards, goals, and reports. Dashboards are the big picture views that combine multiple visuals or reports into one place, perfect for quick health checks. Goals help you track progress against specific targets like deals won or revenue milestones. Reports are the building blocks behind it all. Individual views of your data that answer focused questions, such as how many deals moved to a specific stage or which activities drove the most conversions. You can click to navigate through any of these items. When you select a dashboard, the main area updates instantly so you can scan your key charts and summaries. If you pick a goal, you'll see how you're tracking over time. And if you select a report, you'll open a detailed breakdown of a particular slice of your pipeline. Take a quick look at the top left of the screen, and you'll notice the Create button. This is your starting point whenever you want to add something new, whether that's a fresh dashboard, a new goal, or a custom report. Today, we're focusing on reading insights, not building them, but it's helpful to know exactly where creation begins so you can grow your analytics later. To dig into the details, click on the name of a report, either directly from a dashboard widget or from the report list on the left pane. This opens the full report view, where you can see the chart and the underlying data together. Use the visuals to spot patterns at a glance. Then look at the data table to understand the specifics behind those patterns. If you see labels, legends, or tooltips, use them to clarify what each metric or segment represents. This pairing, visual summary plus data detail, helps you confirm trends quickly and explain your findings with confidence. And there you go. You've learned how to open insights, find your dashboards, goals, and reports, navigate between them, locate the Create button, and open a report to see its details and data. That's all.